I had the opportunity of reading the judgment of my learned brother, Justice P. Sadasivam, who has dealt with the issue in extenso while modifying the death sentence to one of imprisonment for life, i.e., till the end of his life. I only wish to supplement my views while fully endorsing and concurring with the judgment of His Lordship Justice P. Sadasivam. Since the facts have been stated in the judgment of His Lordship Justice P. Sadasivam, I do not refer the same in detail. For the purpose of my reasoning, in toying with the conclusion of His Lordship Justice P. Sadasivam, I only wish to refer to certain factors to support our conclusions. These appeals were entertained on 27/2009. However, while issuing notice, the appeals were confined to sentence only. The appellant was found guilty of the offence under Section 302 IPC and was sentenced to death for committing the murder of his wife Veena Verma and his daughter Geetu Verma on 8/1/2006 in the area of Pratap Singh Wala, Ludhiana. The above appeals arose out of the confirmation of death sentence in murder reference number 8/2007 as well as the connected criminal appeal. Para. It is necessary to state that the appellant indulged in grotesque crime of murdering his wife and daughter one after another on 8/1/2006. The motive for such a heinous crime was that there was a dispute between him and his wife Veena Verma as regards the house which he owned and that he was deprived of having access to his own house. In fact, it was a matter of record that in the year 1999 there was an FIR against the appellant in FIR number 27 wherein the appellant was charged for offences under sections 376 and 506 IPC for having committed rape on his deceased daughter Geetu Verma, which ended in a conviction of 12 years rigorous imprisonment by judgment dated 15/5/2001. There was yet another FIR number 58 dated 6/4/2005 against the appellant for offences under sections 323 and 506 IPC for having assaulted and for having given threat to his wife Veena Verma, which was also proved as per Exhibit P1. There was yet another record of criminal case number 2531 dated 1/8/2005 FIR number 58 of 2005 again for offences under sections 323 and 324 IPC, which was pending in the court of JMIC Ludhiana. In fact, the present offence of murder of his wife and daughter was committed by the appellant when he was on parole while undergoing rigorous imprisonment of 12 years for the conviction of the offence of rape of his daughter committed in the year 1999. It was also relevant to keep in mind that for holding the appellant guilty of the charge of murder of his wife and daughter, apart from the other evidence, the evidence of his own minor daughter Salu PW2, who was an eyewitness to the occurrence, weighed to very great extent along with the evidence of his own son Malkiyat Singh PW7 stop.